Good morning, children. So, welcome back to the online session of a mathematics class. Hope you are all done good in midterm examination. Okay. So, let us continue our lesson, which is linear equation in two variables. So, in the last class, we have discussed about what do you mean by linear equation in two variables, right? So, how to construct, how to form the equation, a real time situation, how to form in terms of linear equation in two variables, and after that, what do you mean by solution of the equation? What do you mean by solution of the equation? Then, how to find out different solutions for the given linear equation in two variables. As we know that linear equation in two variables, it is having infinitely many solutions. It doesn't have a unique solution. Unique solution in the sense it is only one solution. That is a linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable, we have a unique solution. But linear equation in two variables, it doesn't have a unique solution. In fact, it is having infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. You take some arbitrary value of x, you will be getting the corresponding value of y for that value of x, right? So, whenever we are changing one variable, we are getting a value of another variable. So, this is keep on going. We are getting infinitely many solutions since we are having two variables and we have only one equation. We have only one equation. So, in the next upcoming classes, you have linear equation in that is pair of linear equation in two variables. You will be having two equations. Two equations, again two variables. We will see what type of solutions arriving that will be there in the class 10. So, after class 9, we are going to study about linear equation in two variables. It is a linear equation in two variables, but we have only one equation. We have only one equation at a time. So, class 8 and now we are studying the linear equation in one variable. X plus 4 is equal to 3 or 5. So, this is linear equation in one variable. What is the variable here? X is the variable. So, if you try to find out the solution of this equation, what is the rule? Send 4 to the other side. So, keep x there only 5. If you send 4 to the other side, it will become minus 4. So, x is equal to 5 minus 4 will become 1. That means x is equal to 1 is the solution. Which means that I have to place 1 only in this place. Then only I will be getting L is equal to RHS. Observe that 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. LH is equal to RHS. Therefore, this x is equal to 1 is a solution for this equation. Right? Instead of 1, if I place 2, LH is equal to RHS. No. I will be getting 6. 6 is not equal to 5. Only for x is equal to 1, I will be getting x is equal to RHS. Therefore, 1 is the only solution. 1 is the only solution. Apart from 1, if I place any of the values here, I am not getting x is equal to RHS. Right? So, where I am getting x is equal to RHS? Only if I place that x is equal to 1. Therefore, that 1 is the solution. In fact, 1 is unique solution. Exactly one solution. I won't find any other values for the x is equal to RHS. Right? So, this is linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. This one variable. Right? So, if you come to the concept of linear equation in two variables, x plus 5 is equal to 50. So, this is linear equation in two variables. Nothing in the sense we have one. Right? So, what is the variables here? X and y. We have two variables. In fact, this is one equation. This is linear equation in one variable. Okay, what is the solution here? How many solutions we have in the sense? We have infinitely many solutions. We have infinitely many solutions. Why? If I, in the place of x, if I place 1, in the place of y, if I place 49, then this is true because 1 into 1, 1, 49 into 1, 49 is equal to 50, 49 plus 1 is equal to 50, 50 is equal to 50. So, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 49. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 49 is one solution. Is one solution. Similarly, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 48. That is also one more solution because if I place x is equal to 2, 2 into 1 is 2 only, y is equal to 48, 48 into 1 is 48 only, on the RHS we have 50, so 48 plus 2 will become 50, here also 50. Observe that for these x and y at x is equal to 2, y is equal to 48. Look at that. For x is equal to 1, y is equal to 49 also, LS is equal to RHS. For x is equal to 2, y is equal to 48 also, LS is equal to RHS. For x is equal to 3, y is equal to 47. There also LS is equal to RHS. That means this is also a solution, this is also a solution. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 47 is also a solution. X is equal to 25, y is equal to 25, that is also a solution. We have infinitely many solutions because it is a linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Whereas the same thing is not happening here. Why? Because I am having only one variable. I am having only one equation. I need to give only one unique solution. Apart from this value, I can't able to give any of the values to become LHS is equal to RHS. Right? So that is the difference between linear equation with one variable and two variables. Here we are having a unique solution and one variable. Here we are having two variables and infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay. Now, in the last class, I have explained you that how to find out different solutions for the given equation, and I have given this question as a homework to you. Right? Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. So we should write. We know that we have infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variables. The first question is that one only. Exercise 4.2. The first question is, which one of the following option is true and why? So y is equal to 3x plus 5 as they have given the option unique solution, only 2 solutions, infinitely many solutions. So what is the correct answer? Since that is the linear equation in two variables, the correct answer is infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Right? So the second question is, you should find out the solutions. Right? How many solutions? 4 solutions. So this I had explained in the last video itself. Right? So in order to find out the 4 solutions, what we need to do? We need to modify this equation. We need to modify this equation. Right, in terms of y, keep y here only. Send 2x to the other side. What will happen? 7. If I send 2x to the other side, minus 2x. Clear? So now y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Only the small modification I have done that I send 2x to the other side. So what will happen if I send 2x to the other side? It will become minus 2x because here it is plus 2x. Right? So call this as equation 1. Now give some arbitrary value of x, simplify it, get the value of y. The combination of x and y value will become the solution. Very simple. Right? 4 x is equal to 0. Let us start with 0. Put x is equal to 0. Let us find out in 1, in equation 1. We'll see what will happen. Let us write equation once again. Right? So y is equal to 7. Why I have taken x is equal to 0? It is arbitrary value. I can take any of the values. Not necessarily you should take x is equal to 0. You can take x is equal to 1. You can take x is equal to 2. It is your own values. It is arbitrary values. For simplification, I have taken x is equal to 2 plus 0. Right? We'll see what will happen to y value. Combination of x and y value will become the solution. 7 minus 2x, 7 minus 2, x is equal to 0. I need to substitute that. Correct? Then what is the simplification? Y is equal to 7 minus 2x. 2 into x. 2 0. 2 into 0. 2 into 0 will become 0. Correct? Anything multiplied with 0 will become 0 only. Correct? Y is equal to 7 minus 0 is 7 only. So if I replace x is equal to 0, I am getting y is equal to 7. So combination of x and y value will become the solution. How to write the solution? In terms of ordered pace. In terms of ordered pace. First with the x value. What is the x value? 0. What is the y value? 7. So 0, 7. This is writing the solution in terms of ordered pace. You have learned in coordinate geometry, right? So x value will be first, y value will be second. If I place x is equal to 0, I am getting y is equal to 7. So 0, 7. 0, 7 is the first solution. Is the first solution. So 0, 7 is the first solution. So that is representing the solution in terms of ordered pair. Now the question is to find out 4 solutions. I have found out only one solution, first solution, right? To find out next solution, I can give x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 100, x is equal to 1000, whatever the value I want to give, I can give it. But for simplification, I'm giving small values, right? If I give that x is equal to 1000 in this question, I need to simplify. It will take this time to simplify this, right? So for simplification, I will be giving let x is equal to, put x is equal to 1 in the equation 1. That's it, right? So what will happen? Let us write one more time the equation 7 minus 2x. Let us substitute y is equal to 7 minus 2, x is equal to 1. I need to substitute. Clear? In the equation, in the place of x, I have substituted 1 because I have taken x is equal to 1 as an arbitrary value. Correct? So y is equal to 7 minus 2x, 2 into x, 2 into 1, 2 into 1 is 2. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So if I give x is equal to 1, I am getting y is equal to 5. So what concludes that? 1 comma 5 is the solution. 1 comma 5 is the solution. In fact, it is a second solution. We will write there. 1 comma 5 is the second solution. Okay. So 1 comma 5 is the second solution. Third solution you can find out. Since you can give any of the values, only thing is you need to simplify it carefully, right? Whatever the value, x value you have given, same value you need to substitute. You should multiply and you should subtract 7 and you should write the answer with this sign. Look at the 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 is the higher value, therefore I have written the positive sign. Here also is the positive sign. Clear? Similarly, you can find out 2 more solutions because the question is write 2 more solutions. I have found out first solution and second solution. Remaining 2 solutions you have to do them because it is very easy, right? If you know that, if you know the method, anyone can do that. Here there is no difficult task here. Only thing is substituting and then getting the value, right? Because you can take any of the x values. You can take any of the x values. So I have taken x is equal to 0, 1. Remaining 2 solutions, whatever the values you want, you can take it, right? So take that and find out another 2 solutions and show it and send it to me through group. Okay. So let me go for the second question. The second question is pi x plus y is equal to 9. Since I am having a pi here, so we are getting confused here how to find the solutions for this, right? So very simple. Wherever we have a pi, since they are not given a pi value, keep as it is. Keep as it is. That's it. So we write the solutions for this. Okay. We'll continue with the same method. I'll keep the y here only. Okay. I'll be sending pi x to the, that means the complete x term to the other side. What will happen? Pi x. If I send to the other side, will become minus pi x. Clear? So what is that? Modified equation now. Y is equal to 9 minus pi x. Right? All this is equation 1. Now keep on giving the values. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, whatever the values you want, you can give it. You can find out 4 solutions. You can give any of the 4 values, not necessarily 1, 2, 3, 4 or 0, 1, 2, 3. Whatever the values, 10, 20, 30, 40 also you can give. Or 10, 11, 12, 13 also you can give. 100, 200, 300, 400 also you can give. Whatever the values you can want, you can give because it's arbitrary values, right? So, 4, x is equal to 0 and 1. So, I will be giving x is equal to 1. So, what will happen? So, equation is y is equal to 9 minus 5 x. So, y is equal to 9 minus 5. X value is 0. Correct? So, if I simplify that, 9 minus pi into x. Pi into 0. Pi into 0 is 0. Because 0 into anything is 0. So, 9 minus 0 is 9. So, y is equal to 9. If I give x is equal to 0, I am getting y is equal to 9. So, combination of x and y value is a solution. How to write that? In terms of order way. 0, 9. If I give 0, I am getting 9. So, 0, 9 is the first solution. Okay. Similarly, for the second solution, to find out second solution, put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. Okay. Now write the equation again. Y is equal to 9 minus 5x. Correct? So y is equal to 9 minus 5. X value is 1. Okay. Now simplify that. 9 minus, what is 5 into 1? 5 into 1 is 5 only, right? What is 5 into 1? 5. 10 into 1? 10. 1000 into 1? 1000. 5 into 1? 5. The number itself. If you multiply 1 with any number, you will be getting the number itself, right? So 9 minus 5. So they didn't give the pi value. So even though if you substitute the pi value also, it is no need to simplify that, right? As it is, y is equal to 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. So if you give x is equal to 1, you are getting y is equal to 9 minus 5. So 1 comma 9 minus 5 is the second solution. How to write that? 1 comma y value is 9 minus 5 is the second solution. Now you can find out third solution and fourth solution, right? So, okay, I'll find out one more solution. Then you will get that back again. Put x is equal to 2 in 1 to find out the third solution, right? Okay. What is the equation? Y is equal to 9 minus 5x. Clear? So y is equal to 9 minus 5. X is equal to 2. Let us substitute that. So 9 minus 2 into pi is 2 pi. Correct? 2 into pi is 2 pi. Right? 3 into pi, 3 pi. 4 into pi, 4 pi. 5 into pi, 5 pi. That's, so if I substitute x is equal to 2, I am getting y is equal to 9 minus 2 pi. So 2 comma 9 minus 2 pi is the third solution. 2 comma 9 minus 2 pi is the third solution. Clear? 2 comma 9 minus 3 pi is the third solution. So fourth solution you can find out. That is the homework for you, right? In the place of x is equal to 2, you can place x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 4, whatever the arbitrary value, you can place it and you can find out y value, right? Combination of x and y value as a solution. Fourth solution is the homework for you, you need to find out. Okay. So I will move to the third question. Third question is x is equal to 3y, x is equal to 4y, x is equal to 4y. So as I told you in the question number 1 and 2 and the previous example also, I should simplify the equation in terms of y. Say suppose 2x plus y is equal to 7 is the first question, right? So what I have done, I have kept y is here only and I have sent 2x to the other side. It will become y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Then I will change x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, then x is equal to 4. I will change the x values, I am getting the y values. Combination of x and y value will be the solution. Correct? So that is the method I taught you to find out the solutions. Right? We have one more method. Right? We have one more method. It is not necessary that I should send 2x to other side. I can send 2y to other side also. I can send 2y means y to the other side also, like this. So keep 2x here only. What will happen? 7. Send y to the other side, minus 1. Correct? The same equation, y I have sent to the other side, since it is minus 2. Y. Here it is plus, therefore if you send to the other side, it will become minus 1. Now simplify in terms of x. So 2 is multiplied here. If you send to the other side, it will get divided, right? So 7 minus y divided by 2. Now keep on changing the y value. Y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. Simplify this. If I give y is equal to 1, what will happen? 7 minus y is equal to 1, 1 divided by 2. So 7 minus 1, 6, 6 by 2. So x is equal to 1 is 2 3 is so x is equal to 3. So if I give y is equal to 1, I am getting x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1 is the solution. In that way also I can find out. Okay, here I have simplified. I have written the equation in terms of y. I am keep on changing the x value and finding out the y value. That way also you can find out. The other way will be I can write in terms of x. Right, I can write the x in terms of y. I can change the value of y. I can get the simplified value of x. Then combination of x and y again is a solution. That is also possible. That means I can express the equation in terms of x or in terms of y. Both will be possible. Why I am telling you that? Here it is. The question is already simplified. It is already simplified. Here you can observe that the question is. Here it is. X is equal to 4y. So x is expressed in terms of 4y. X is expressed in terms of 4y. So call this as equation 1 only. Keep on change the y value. Y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the x value. Combination of x and y value is the solution. Very simple. So if you simplify this in terms of y, then 4 again you should send to the other side. It will get divided. Then you can keep on changing the x value. There also you can get the y values. But it's very easy if you express this equation in terms of, it's already expressed in terms of y. Take the values of y and get the value of x. Right? Put y is equal to 0, 1. Okay? So what will happen? The equation x is equal to 4y. So x is equal to 4. Y value is equal to 0. Let us substitute that. So 4 into 0, 4 into y, 4 into 0, 0. So if I place y is equal to 0, I am getting x is equal to 0. Again, order way. First you should write x value only. Right? Since although if you have taken y is equal to 0, but while writing the solution, first you should write x value only. Right? Because it is an ordered pace. In the coordinates, x value only, x coordinate only will come first. Then only y coordinates. So x is equal to 0. I'm getting y is equal to 0. Right? This is the first solution. Clear? Then for the second solution, put x is equal to, I'm sorry, not x. Put y is equal to 1. Put y is equal to 1 in equation 1. What is equation 1? X is equal to 4, y. So x is equal to 4, y I need to substitute 1. Right? Now, x is equal to 4 into 1 is 4 only. So if I place x is equal to 1, I am getting, y is equal to 1, I am getting x is equal to 4. So 4 comma 1 is next solution. 4 comma 1 is next solution. Second solution. 4 comma 1 is the second solution. Okay. So similarly you can find out another 2 solutions because we need to work out this. Since we have to find out 4 solutions, finding out 2 solutions, remaining 2 solutions we have to find out that. Then only we will come to know that how to find the solutions, right? So if I find out all the solutions, then it will be a smooth feeling to you. You won't work it out, right? So find out another 2 solutions, right? Whatever the values you can take for y, substitute that, simplify that, and get the solution. Another 2 solutions you should find out. So all the 3 questions it is not completed, it is incomplete. You need to complete it and you need to send it to me. Okay? So complete that. In the next session we will go for 3rd main. Okay? So thank you. Complete this.